Namaste everyone. Today in this video, we will discuss about the natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation and wildlife, we will discuss part by part. The first part is the natural vegetation. Natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by humans. कहने का मतलब ये है कि जो नेचुरल वेजिटेशन होता है वो पूरी तरह से नेचर के द्वारा गिफ्टेड होता है ह्यूमन बींग्स को। उसमें मनुष्यों की कोई भी सहभागिता नहीं शामिल होती। इंडिया हैज अबाउट 47,000 प्लांट स्पीसीज which occupies 10th place in the world and 4th in Asia. बिल्कुल साफ है कि भारत में 47,000 प्लांट स्पीसीज हैं जिसकी वजह से ये पूरे विश्व में 10th प्लेस पे और एशिया में 4th प्लेस पे आता है। इट हैज 15,000 फ्लावरिंग प्लांट। यहाँ 15,000 फूल वाले पेड़ हैं जो कि पूरे विश्व का 6% है, which account for 6% in the world. India has approximately 90,000 species of animals and a rich variety of fish in its fresh and marine water. फ्रेश एंड मेराइन वाटर से हमारा तात्पर्य है कि नदियों के पानी में और समुद्री पानी में दोनों जगह पे पाई जाने वाली मछलियां हमारे भारत में पाई जाती हैं और 90,000 स्पीसीज एनिमल्स के हैं। कहने का मतलब ये भी है कि जितनी ज़्यादा जंगल होंगे उतनी ही ज़्यादा वैरायटी के जानवर भी पाए जाएंगे। Factors affecting natural vegetation. This is the very important part related to the natural vegetation. We must know about the factors which affects the natural vegetation. Relief and climate are the important factors. Let us discuss one by one. Relief. Under relief, land and soil. Two parts are there. Land, the natural vegetation differ on mountains, plateau, plains and in dry and wet region. यहाँ पे भी तात्पर्य बिल्कुल साफ है कि नेचुरल वेजिटेशन जो है वो पर्वतों पे, पठारों पे और मैदानों में अलग अलग वैरायटी के होते हैं। As we know, on mountain the soil thickness is very thin. On plateau, on the slope of the plateau, it is thin, means the thickness of the soil is thin, and at the top it has a little bit thicker soil. But on plain, the thickness of the soil is very high. The vegetation also varies in dry and wet region, as the dry region receives very less rainfall and the wet region receives comparatively very high rainfall. So it's known to us that if rainfall is high, the vegetation will be also be high. The next part of relief is soil. The soils provide basis for different types of vegetations. For example, cactus and thorny bushes are the trees of desert. Cactus and thorny bushes are found in desert to reduce the transpiration, while mangrove and deltaic vegetation are in marshy or deltaic soil. Marshy or deltaic soil means these are the forest of mangrove. Mangrove literal meaning the trees which can grow in both type of water, that is in salty and sweet water. The another important factor is climate. Temperature and precipitation both helps in the growth of vegetation. This is known to us because from the very little age, it is taught to us that the water and temperature, they both affects the vegetation. Temperature, the longer duration of sunlight helps trees to grow faster. As we know that the high temperature helps in growing the trees. Precipitation. Areas of heavy rainfall have more dense vegetation as compared to areas of less rainfall. Again, this is also known to us. The high rainfall occurs the area that contains the dense vegetation, and the area which receives less rainfall contains very sparse forest. Okay, thank you.